1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys. Mano si Pipat?
Ma-facials.
I-facial ako. Kaya ba ko lang ko pag sobra.
Hindi, ano,
She will do a facial on my face because I just got home from work.
di off
So
mo?
yes, it's my day off today. This is my daughter, Pipat. So we're doing facial. So she's gonna take off my makeup.
That is sabon.
So
So, color white ba?
you do speak English.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Put
Facial. Put soap.
facial, then put
My mommy.
mommy.
Okay. Here out here you have put here. Here. So you have to put also take off my blouse. Put soap here and here and here.
Okay.
Okay. There. Okay.
Pilit.
So you have to take out. Put some water in your hand, gamay. Small.
Okay.
Put mula na iputulua tapos pasa kong paste dali. My nose pa dali pa sa may eyes ko pa.
Makeup. Done.
She will be turning 7 on this coming July. Her birthday is approaching
26, 30,
July 26.
26
We will
July.
gonna do vlog also, so you have to follow and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Oh, my nose. Okay. Okay. Alright. Just put soap the more.
Here,
There.
here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Okay. Put more soap.
Oh! Oh my god! Color you! Monster!
Okay, very good.
I just got put